Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Cryptosonic. So, dear fans, today I have bring another amazing project that is called Smarts Money. So, in this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. That how can you use MEV boots, and you can also start automatic trading and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Smarts Money. Dear friends, you can also find out link in my video description, and this is automated MEV strategies maximize profits extractions. Join thousands of traders front-running profitable trades with the Smarts MEV boot, real-time insights, effortless automations, and lightning-fast executions all in one place as well. Here you can also check out the billions of dollars move through crypto every day and creating constant price swing, liquidity gap, and exploitable inefficiencies. Until now, extracting value from these opportunities have been reserved for institutional player and highly specialized boot. With the help of smart MEV boot, retailer traders can finally access the same strategies and use and bundle of after bundles 24 hours 7 a day on use this capturing value where other can't. And defense, here we can also check out the unfair advantage you have been missing. The first one is stay ahead with real-time monitoring, zero technical setup required, capture consistent macro profit, front run and profit effortlessly. They are redefining MEV trading fair, fast, and profitable. You can also check out the fair MEV access and defense, enhancing opportunities for trader with better transaction visibility and execution speed. Optimize execution, maximize extractions through superior bundling algorithm and transactions sequencing, as well as unlock MEV profitability and bringing advanced MEV strategy to all trader, not just the insider as well. Here you can also check out the average profit as well as the total profit and victim count detail. Build for opportunity, optimize for speed, and this is automated profit deductions. Optimize for maximum gains, 100% hands-free trading. You can also get 24-hour 7-day profit extractions right here as well. Fast, very gas fee optimizer, zero market risk, secure and private, and expert build as well. How the smart boot MEV board works, here you can also check out off-chain sandwich and you can also check out the attack executions and profit extraction. You can also easily start here and earn profit right here. You can also check out, and you can also check out trusted by trader for consistent gains, and you can also check out their review about this project and start extraction profit from the market and get started right now. You need to start launch app right here, and defense, first you need to connect your wallet, and defense you can also choose quantum, OKS wallet, trust wallet, Solfair, or wallet connect anyone, and you can also use your email. So I am going to be connect my Quantum wallet, and here you can also check that wallet is successfully connected after entering our password, and then we will be able to continue, and we can also activate our boot and start trading easily. So here we need to click on the confirm, and it is successfully done, and you can also check out all the information here. And dear fans, you can also check I have the 0.95% earning of the yesterday, and here you also check out your wallet, and you can also check your all balance. So I have already 1000 USDT, and let's learn how can you deposit your amount. Here you need to enter your nickname, and then you can also do this one. So here we need to click on the confirm, and defense, you can also use 20 character, and then you can also done. So it is successfully done, and now we can also make the deposit. Here you can also choose BTC, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or Sol here, and you also connect all the detail. You can also scan QRC code, and you can also copy this address, and you can also deposit your amount easily right here as well. So I have already my deposit here, and you can also check, we can also activate right here. You can also check out the average daily return detail, and boots is live here, and you can also invite your friend, family and relatives, and also earn referral program here. And you can also check out the accounts details. So like that, I have my profit here. Now I am going to be activate, and first we need to select the currency which we want to be used. I have already activated my currency, and you can also check it is running on here. So let's check out all the information and boots that are working here. And you can also analyze 7 days, 15 days or 30 days here as well. Now here you can also analyze the top tokens and smart money and trend insights and everything here. You can all easily check out, and you can also check, and you can also activate this boot, and you can also start here. You can also check out all the tokens are available here, where you can also automatic trading, and you can also make money through this amazing platform. You can also analyze and check out smart money detail here, and you can also check a lot of people are already making money through this amazing platform, and you can also start right here and make money here. You can also check out the MEV board and the MEV stats, where you can also check your all information related to this project, and you can also earn from here as well. So here you can also check out the average profit, and total count and victim detail. And here estimated profit today you can also check as well. And you can also check out the top sandwich traders detail, and you can also check out the all information and state of this project, and you can also learn sources and everything here as well. So you can also grab this opportunity as well as you can also click on the referral, and here you can also copy your referral link, and you can also use your invitation code with your family, friend and relatives, and you can also invite them, and then you can also get the huge reward here as well. And you can also check one bonus contract is here. We need to activate, must activate your MEV boot, then we can also start this one. So it is up to you where you want to be connect here. So here I have my USDT. You can also check, and we can also activate through this USDT, and when we can also do this one. So here you can also check out the amount which want to be done, that 1000 USDT, and 1 day, 7 days, 30 days or 100 days. You can also check all information. Profit ratio is here, you can also check, and then simply click on the confirm button. So defense here you can also check that already states is successfully, and you can also check 1000 USDT already activated. And we can also check more detail about the boot here. You can also check all information, and you can also start trading right here, and you can also make money through this amazing platform. Here you can also join their community and turning raw data into profitable moves, and check out all information and join their community to get latest news and update related to this amazing project as well. So this is the best project that ever you can use this one and make money. I hope so you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.